Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Sony's Alpha series has consistently set benchmarks in the mirrorless camera market, and the rumored Sony A75 aims to uphold that tradition. While official details remain scarce, emerging information hints at a camera that combines cutting-edge technology with advanced features tailored for professionals and enthusiasts alike. In this article, we delve into the speculative details surrounding the Sony A75, its potential features, and what it could mean for the photography world. Potential announcement and release timeline. According to sources such as Camera Beta via Weibo, the Sony A75 might make its debut at CES 2025. This timeline aligns with Sony's typical product announcement cadence, but it is prudent to approach these rumors with caution. Trusted insiders have indicated that the camera's release might extend further into 2025, suggesting a possible announcement in early 2025, followed by availability later in the year. Historically, leaks and rumors surrounding Sony's flagship models tend to gain traction weeks before official announcements. These leaks often include images, specifications, and sample reviews driven by the distribution of review units to select creators and media outlets. This pattern may provide more concrete details as CES 2025 approaches. Rumored features and specifications. The rumored feature set of the Sony A75 paints a picture of a camera designed to push the boundaries of imaging and videography. Below are the most notable speculative specifications. Sensor technology. At the core of the A75 is the rumored IMX366 sensor, a 44-megapixel full-frame back-illuminated CMOS sensor. This represents a significant resolution bump from the 33-megapixel sensor found in the A7 IV, offering photographers enhanced detail and the ability to crop images extensively without sacrificing quality. The sensor is expected to incorporate several advanced technologies, including all-pixel readout, captures maximum detail without pixel binning and subsampling options, offers flexible readout modes optimized for different shooting scenarios, advanced rolling shutter reduction, aimed at minimizing distortion in fast-moving scenes, dual gain ISO, enhances low-light performance while maintaining dynamic range. Video capabilities. Videographers will appreciate the rumored capability of capturing 4K video at 120 frames per second without cropping. This feature ensures full use of the sensor's width, maintaining wide-angle perspectives and high detail. Additional features may include 10-bit color depth, enables smoother gradations and greater dynamic range, advanced codec support, likely to provide professional-grade video compression options, enhanced heat dissipation, designed to support prolonged recording sessions without overheating. S-Log and HLG support ensures greater flexibility in post-production. Image processing. The A75 is expected to benefit from Sony's latest image processing technology, potentially utilizing the Bion's XR processor or an upgraded variant. This would allow for faster processing of high-resolution images and 4K 120p video files, reduced buffer times and smoother workflows. A 16-lane SLVSEC interface for rapid data transfer is crucial for handling large volumes of image and video data efficiently. Enhanced AI-driven noise reduction for improved low-light performance. Dynamic range and low-light performance. Sony's rumored use of 11-bit to 14-bit analog-to-digital converters, ADCs, on the sensor could enhance image quality by improving dynamic range and reducing noise. This feature would particularly benefit photographers working in challenging lighting conditions or shooting scenes with high contrast. Autofocus and stabilization. While specifics about the autofocus system remain unconfirmed, it's reasonable to expect enhancements in real-time tracking and subject recognition leveraging AI-driven algorithms. Recent advancements in Sony's autofocus performance suggest that the A75 will likely excel in this area. The A75 could also feature an improved in-body image stabilization system. With the increased resolution of the 44-megapixel sensor, effective stabilization becomes even more critical for achieving sharp handheld shots. Pricing and market positioning. The Sony A7 IV launched in October 2021 at a price of approximately €2,799 and has since seen a reduction to around €2,200. Rumors suggest that the A75 will be priced at approximately €3,000, reflecting its upgraded features and capabilities. This price point would position the A75 as a premium choice for advanced enthusiasts and professionals, bridging the gap between the high-resolution A7R series and the video-centric A7S series. Comparison with Sony A7 IV. The Sony A7 IV, with its versatile 33-megapixel sensor, 4K 60p video, and robust autofocus system, remains a solid choice. However, the rumored upgrades in the A75, including a higher resolution 44-megapixel sensor and uncropped 4K 120p video, suggest a camera designed to appeal to those seeking enhanced imaging and video capabilities. Potential applications. With its anticipated feature set, the Sony A75 appears poised to excel across a broad spectrum of photography and videography scenarios, promising an impressive combination of performance, innovation, and versatility. Landscape and portrait photography. The rumored high-resolution sensor is expected to deliver stunning detail, making the A75 an excellent choice for producing large-format prints or engaging in extensive cropping. Photographers specializing in landscapes and portraits may find the A75 to be a game-changer, offering superior image quality and dynamic range. Videography and content creation. With uncropped 4K video at 120 frames per second and reliable autofocus, the A75 is positioned as a versatile tool for capturing fast-paced and emotional scenes. Its ability to handle dynamic lighting conditions and maintain smooth, high-quality footage could make it a go-to option for professional videographers. Action and sports photography. The rumored fast burst shooting and enhanced subject tracking capabilities could be invaluable for capturing the fleeting motion of wildlife or the high-speed intensity of sports. The A75 is expected to deliver precision and reliability, ensuring every critical moment is captured without compromise. Vlogging and social media. Its advanced video features, paired with intuitive handling, could make the A75 a favorite among vloggers, YouTubers, and independent filmmakers. If the rumored IMX366 sensor and cutting-edge video options hold, content creators may benefit from improved low-light performance and cinematic quality footage. Conclusion. Despite the current air of mystery surrounding the Sony A75, early rumors suggest a camera that combines meaningful upgrades with forward-thinking innovation. Should the rumored specifications come to fruition, the A75 has the potential to solidify Sony's leadership in the mirrorless market. As January 2025 progresses, more leaks and official announcements are anticipated, offering further insights into the A75's potential. Until then, the photography and videography community eagerly awaits what could be Sony's next groundbreaking contribution to imaging technology.